Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very popular evening tea time snack in Karnataka. This is Maddur Vada. Maddur is a place in Karnataka and this particular vada is very well known there. This particular Maddur Vada is very different from all the other South Indian vadas that we usually make. So let's get started and check out how to make this special vada. To make the dough for the vada, to a bowl add 1 cup of rice flour, half cup maida or all-purpose flour, half cup rava or suji, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, a piece of ginger finely chopped, a few finely chopped curry leaves, and a few finely chopped coriander leaves. After adding all these ingredients, just mix everything together. So next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of hot oil. So just add the oil and mix it all together. So once you've mixed the oil, gradually pour water little at a time and start mixing the dough. Don't add too much water at a time. Make sure you gradually pour the water little by little to mix the dough. So as you can see, the dough has come together beautifully. Just add a few drops of oil, rub it around the dough and let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's start making the vadas. Take a little bit of the dough, gently press it over the banana leaf. Now if you don't have a banana leaf, you can do it on your palm as well. I'm just dabbing very little water just to make sure it's not too dry and it's got the perfect shape. Gently drop the vadas one by one into the hot oil. Maintain the flame on medium while frying them. Deep fry the vadas till they are a nice golden brown color. Once the vadas have turned to a nice golden brown color, remove them from the hot oil and serve them with some nice coconut chutney or ketchup by the side. The vadas are absolutely delicious. They've got this lovely crunchy exterior and this nice soft interior. Make sure the vadas are not too thick or too thin. So this is a good size and these vadas are super easy to make. You can make these delicious and crispy Maddur Vadas anytime. As you can see, the ingredients are very simple and this is very easy to make. It takes very less time to prepare these vadas and to be honest, I thoroughly enjoyed them. It's very tasty. It's very crispy on the outside and a little soft on the inside, and it's best served nice and hot with some coconut chutney, and if you have kids around, you can also serve it with some nice ketchup. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.